Hey friends, if voice recorder app is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So this is the voice recorder app, or it's also called the sound recorder app on your Windows computer. Now, if this is not working, then here's what you have to do. Search for it, click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down and then click on repair first. Let it repair till you get the tick mark here, then click on reset and reset once again. And if that doesn't help, before reinstalling it, close this, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window, type WS reset and hit enter, and this will restart the app. And then we can reinstall the app. Search for sound recorder, voice recorder, whatever version you have. Select uninstall and uninstall it. Now, obviously it is being uninstalled, but since it's a system app, from where can you reinstall it? For that, open the Microsoft Store, and if you don't find it here, simply search for it and open the Microsoft Store, and then search for sound recorder, and then you can click on Windows Sound Recorder, and then click on Get and let it install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.